What's up, everybody? Welcome back to SimplyTechwhiz. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence. Right here, right now. AI isn't just for tech geniuses anymore. It's making our lives easier, faster, and way more fun. Get ready, because I've tested the top 5 AI tools that will transform your daily life. Let's jump in. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have the tool that truly started the conversation for millions, ChatGPT. If you haven't heard of it, get ready, because this is like having a genius in your pocket. Think of it as your ultimate brainstorming partner, your co-writer, and your personal oracle all in one. Stuck on how to start that big report for work? Just ask. Need to write a heartfelt birthday message that doesn't sound like a greeting card cliché? ChatGPT has your back. It's not just about getting answers. It's about starting a creative dialogue. The real magic of ChatGPT lies in its versatility. It can help you draft emails that sound professional and polished, saving you from staring at a blinking cursor for 20 minutes. It can outline your next video script, blog post, or even a novel, giving you a solid foundation to build upon. I use it constantly to break through writer's block. You just feed it a simple idea, a kernel of a thought, and it blossoms into a full-fledged plan. It's like having a conversation with an incredibly well-read and creative friend who is always available and never runs out of ideas, pushing you to think bigger and work smarter. But it goes even deeper. You can use it to learn complex topics by asking it to explain them in simple terms, like you're 5 years old. It can help you code, plan a week's worth of meals, or even generate creative ideas for your next home project. The key is to be specific with your prompts. The more detail you give it, the more tailored and brilliant the response will be. For anyone who deals with words, ideas, or just needs a quick answer without falling down a rabbit hole of web searches, ChatGPT is an absolute non-negotiable game changer, a truly stunning performance. All right, moving on to our number 4 spot, a tool that has saved me from embarrassing typos more times than I can count. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Grammarly. Now, we've all been there. You've just crafted the perfect, most important email of your career. You hit send with confidence, and then you see it. A glaring grammar mistake or a cringeworthy typo. It's the worst feeling. Grammarly is the digital proofreader that ensures that feeling becomes a distant memory. It works silently in the background of almost everything you do. This isn't your high school spell check. Oh no, this is so much more. Grammarly's AI doesn't just catch the obvious errors. It analyzes your tone, your clarity, your conciseness, and even your delivery. It will suggest rephrasing clunky sentences to make them flow more elegantly. It'll tell you if you're sounding too formal for a casual chat or too informal for a business proposal. It's like having a personal writing coach looking over your shoulder, gently guiding you to communicate more effectively and with more impact. It's the difference between a good performance and a flawless, standing ovation-worthy one. Whether you're a student polishing a final paper, a professional drafting a client proposal, or just someone who wants their social media posts to be sharp and error-free, Grammarly is essential. It integrates seamlessly with your browser, your email client, and your word processor, so it's always there when you need it. It builds your confidence as a writer by not just correcting you, but teaching you. You start to recognize your own common mistakes and improve over time. For clear, confident, and correct communication every single time, Grammarly absolutely earns its spot in our top 5. Cracking our top 3, we have a tool that is an absolute lifesaver for anyone who has ever sat through a meeting. Welcome to the stage, Otter.ai. Let's be honest. Trying to take detailed notes while also actively participating in a discussion is nearly impossible. You're either missing key points because you're writing, or you're missing notes because you're talking. Otter.ai solves this problem with breathtaking elegance. It's a personal transcriptionist that records your meetings, lectures, or interviews and turns spoken words into a fully searchable written transcript in real time. Imagine this. You're in a crucial brainstorming session. Ideas are flying fast and furious. Instead of frantically scribbling in a notebook, you simply have Otter running on your phone or laptop. You can focus 100% of your attention on the conversation, on contributing your best ideas, knowing that every single word is being captured. After the meeting, you don't just get a wall of text. Otter.ai is smart. It identifies different speakers, highlights keywords, and even generates a summary of the key topics discussed. It's like having perfect recall on demand. The productivity boost here is just staggering. No more wasting hours re-listening to recordings or trying to decipher your own messy handwriting. You can instantly search the transcript for a specific keyword or action item. You can share the notes with team members who couldn't attend, ensuring everyone stays perfectly in the loop. For students, it means you never miss a detail in a lecture. For professionals, it means more productive meetings and clearer follow-ups. Otter.ai doesn't just save you time, it liberates your mind to be fully present. An incredible, powerful tool. We are so close to the top spot. Coming in at a powerful number 2 is the organizational powerhouse, Notion AI. If your life feels like a chaotic jumble of to-do lists on sticky notes, random thoughts in different apps, and project plans scattered everywhere, Notion AI is here to be your command center. It takes the already amazing Notion platform and injects it with a dose of serious intelligence. Think of it as a digital workspace that not only stores your information, but actively helps you manage, summarize, and act on it. It's not just a notebook, it's a second brain. With Notion AI, you can automate the tedious parts of organization. For example, you can drop in a messy page of meeting notes, and with one click, Notion AI will instantly summarize the key takeaways and pull out all the action items, creating a clean to-do list for you. It can help you brainstorm ideas right inside your project page, draft content, or even translate text. It connects all the dots, transforming your scattered information into a cohesive, interconnected system where everything is exactly where it needs to be. The beauty of Notion AI is how it adapts to your specific needs. You can build a content calendar, a personal CRM, a travel planner, or a complex project roadmap, and the AI will help you populate and manage it more efficiently. It reduces the mental load of trying to keep track of everything, freeing up your brainpower for more important, creative work. It's the ultimate tool for bringing order to chaos and building systems that truly work for you. For anyone craving structure and streamlined productivity, Notion AI is a show-stopping performance. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The number 1 spot on our countdown. The AI tool that isn't just changing how we work, but how we dream and create. Taking the crown tonight is the breathtaking, the revolutionary, the awe-inspiring Midjourney. This tool is pure magic. It transforms your written ideas, your most imaginative prompts, into stunning, high-quality, original images and art. If you can describe it, Midjourney can create it, and the results will leave you speechless. Think about the possibilities. You need a unique, eye-catching image for your next presentation? Forget scrolling through cheesy stock photo sites. Just describe the exact scene you're picturing. A photorealistic image of an astronaut drinking coffee on Mars, cinematic lighting, and watch it come to life. Need compelling visuals for your social media feed, your blog, or your brand? Midjourney can generate an endless stream of artistic styles, from photorealistic to painterly, from futuristic to fantasy. It's like having a world-class artist and photographer on call, ready to create anything you can imagine. What makes Midjourney so powerful is its ability to unlock a new form of creativity for everyone, regardless of their artistic skill. It's a tool for visual brainstorming, for bringing characters in a story to life, for designing concepts, or simply for exploring the wild landscapes of your own imagination. The community is vibrant, and learning to craft the perfect prompt becomes an art form in itself. It is, without a doubt, the tool that most vividly demonstrates the incredible transformative power of AI to expand human creativity. It's a look into the future, and for that, Midjourney is our number 1 AI tool. And there you have it, our top 5 countdown of the AI tools that are absolutely revolutionizing the game. From writing and organizing to creating stunning visuals, the future is officially here, and it is more accessible than ever. We've seen how ChatGPT can be your creative partner, how Grammarly can perfect your prose, and how Otter.ai can give you back your focus in meetings. We've witnessed the organizational genius of Notion AI and the breathtaking artistic power of Midjourney. These tools aren't just about saving a few minutes here and there. they're about fundamentally upgrading your capabilities. My challenge to you is this: don't just watch this video. Pick one. Pick the one that resonated with you the most and give it a try this week. See for yourself how it can smooth out the rough edges of your daily routine and unlock new potential. The biggest barrier is often just starting, but I promise you, once you experience that first wow moment where an AI tool saves you hours of work or helps you create something you never thought you could, there's no going back. This technology is here to empower you, so embrace it and see what you can build with it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It has been an absolute blast sharing these incredible tools with you. Now, I want to hear from you. This list is just the beginning. What are your favorite AI tools? Are there any hidden gems that I missed? Drop them in the comments below. Let's build a community of creators and innovators right here. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating. SimplyTechwhiz, out.